I am about to send email to various hospitals and doctors, but first I'm addressing the World Medical Association. So this is that part. I gave a lot of searches that they might be interested in. For instance, this one. Here it is. And then there are several videos. This is about my father. This is about me. This one is about top of universities being involved deeply in international organized crime. This is my call Skyping NATO, US mission to NATO, to be more precise. And finally, Netherlands Forensic Institute. Well, there's no need to explain this because I mentioned that in a lot of my videos. This is a brief reminder that Serbia will host WMA Council session in 2026. So this also, there's no need also to explain this. This is for Russian ambassador in Belgrade. So I'm writing to them last time. It's not because of them, but because of traditional friendship between Serbia and Russia. So these are videos which are what? Which are related to them, to Russian embassy. First one, of course, about their doctor. Then about first time I contacted them. About second time I contacted them. This is about YouTube protecting Russian government. YouTube is directly controlled by United States federal government. This is proof that I have cancer. I do have cancer, 4 cancers in my eye. So this is video on another cancer, lymphoma, that I have. Official medical record. Okay. This is very important. So this is for director of Saint, I don't know how to translate it. Okay, Sveti Luka in Smederevo General Hospital, and he's lawyer Svetlana Stojković-Tomić. to pay damages that they caused to my family. So this is email, video. Okay, I made some mistakes. Yeah. This is video about his doctors responsible for my father's death. Another one. And this is that event that I mentioned at the beginning of this email. This is for director of Clinical Center Vojvodina. I explained that in another video. So I explained that in let's see. One of these two videos, because they are related. That's basically one video, but basically two parts of the same video. So I'm not explaining details here. Next, director of Community Health Center in Smederevo, and head of emergency service also in Smederevo. So I'm also asking them for the compensation related to my father and my grandparents' death. So these are G drive folders, and this video explains everything about that. So next up to this is for health inspector Bratislav Milovanovic. So these two links are given here in this video. So I'm not opening them again. This is for director of Clinical Center of Serbia, and all these links are given in the following video. This is for private hospitals for eye diseases in Smederevo, Serbia. All details in the video. This is for doctor in whose office my face got burnt by scanner. Too many coincidences. Zoran Mariano is this guy. And this is for Minister of Health. I call her dumb, rough-faced DANICA GRUJICIC. I don't need to explain consequences if your experts quoted don't answer to me. If you're such an expert, how did you allow to have your face get sore off? You never heard of Dr. Hans Kugler and how to preserve your genes? And I asked all the people who are in this list, recipients list, to confirm receiving this email, and before that to watch this video. So I explained everything related to this video in these two videos I mentioned. So this and this. So no need to explain it again. And I'm now, so these are emails which are already DA related videos created. So this means that there is a problem with video memory. Okay, now the list, it should be 24. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. So these are all that are addressed here. This is doctor who is treating monster who murdered 3 members of my family. She's now at the moment in psychiatric hospital. That's her, this rough-faced moron and psycho. This is her sister who gave guarantees for her. Both of these two psychos have major psych issues. Let's see if there is someone else to... this is telecommunication company. I need to forward this to them for various reasons. This is the Supreme Prosecution Office. My brother, these are hospitals. This is Center for Social Social Affairs or Social Work in Smederevo, Serbia. This is to again to hospitals. Hospitals I mentioned. Health inspector, private hospitals. Supreme Court, World Medical Association. That's the doctor Marjanovic, Russian Embassy, and Clinical Center of Serbia. And this is International Office of State Intelligence of Serbia. These two are military intelligence offices, so 2 of them. And it would be interesting to see, of course I'm recording what will happen, to see if there will be blob reported. So email blob, what is a blob? So or maybe it's not blob, but the case when a lot of the case when you send email to a lot of recipients, so some servers, email servers, report that as spam, or I really cannot remember what's the other name. So let's stick to spam for now. So I'm now going to send this and check out what's happening, how many emails will be returned. So now I'm sending this. Okay, and for the end, something that I'm going to add. SDA, that's this moron. So, Minister of Health, real piece of shit. I forwarded this email to her. So, let's see what will happen next. Now, I want to see. Yeah, I received something. Okay, somebody said there. Optical focus. Okay. Which is a what? This guy as well, Zoran Marjanovic. So I don't have here the response, message truncated, and I have here nothing, also message truncated. Okay, so I guess that's the same server. Actually, this is returned by Google. Inbox full, getting too much mail right now. Yeah, right. Okay, so they don't want to receive email. I will find other means of contacting them. So just to show these emails and links I sent. So for now, these are recipients who didn't want to, who put me on some sort of blacklist. This also happened with the guy who is top Serbian lawyer, top lawyer in Serbia. It's different Serbian than in Serbia, for me at least. So that was from email in the, so this guy, Tomafila, that was from email. I sent a video about that email. So email I sent to Italian ambassador. Okay, so that would be it regarding that email I sent to various hospitals, doctors, and the World Medical Association. It's now time to bring everything home, to bring everything to international domain, because these are all international cases. Monstrous murders of my family are international cases, as I explained in a lot of my videos. And of course, I also contacted Russian embassy for the last time. Next time I will contact their government. So that would be all regarding email I just sent. If there are some more people who refuse to receive my email like this too, I will. So again, these are private hospitals. So this is private hospital, optical focus for eye diseases, and this is the guy in whose office my face got burnt. So one more time, I will contact them using alternative methods. So if there is someone else who pops up who don't want to receive my email, I will create a new video on that. But for now, that would be all.